Hello guys, I just wanted to show you something. I got this ages ago. My grandpa kindly did this for me, so big shout out to my grandpa, whose name's Peter. This is the Jubilee Line 1996 stock train push door button that I got, and I just saw William's Transportations video, so I'll link his video in the description. Yeah, I thought I'd do that as well. I thought it wasn't still working. And apologies if you can hear the fireworks, because it's bonfire night tonight, 5th of November 2021, which is a Friday. So today we're going to be turning it all on, because I thought it was still breaking. I just realised that I haven't turned it on. That's the reason why. So we'll just turn it on. Give me a couple of seconds. And whilst those stupid fireworks are on, we'll just turn this on and do this. Right. I think we'll need to turn the automated announcements on.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a southbound Jubilee Line service.
Hope this is not copyright.
Stratford. This train is now ready to depart. Stand clear of the doors, please. Mind closing doors.
And it goes off when the train goes. I'll let you listen to the sound. This goes as far as Cannes Park.
There may be pickpockets operating on this train. Please take care of your valuables.
I know it's going to Cannes Park because it's left Stanmore. You can get this at the London Transport Museum in Covent Garden, and I believe you can get it. I don't think you can get it at the Acton Depot version of it. Get it at Covent Garden. So big thanks to my grandpa Peter who bought this ages ago. I just thought I just wanted to get back into using it and just did a film of it. Sorry for the fireworks. I'm just going to open.
This station is Cannes Park. This train
The lights are not
terminates
illuminated.
at Stratford.
And that's it, guys. You can get this at the London Transport Museum. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll make another video of this. And I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.